Hello everybody, here I am about to eat another amazing dinner, and you've been asking me or telling me you'd like to see more videos like this, so I figured I'd show you more what I'm eating. Now, we had something planned, and we do try to plan our menu in advance so we can get the food we need, especially when you're making recipes. It's good to have stuff around, but we also had leftovers, so I haven't been eating too much lately in terms of leftovers plus new stuff. So I asked Chef Laura to reuse the leftovers that we had. And yesterday we had a sandwich, a BLT sandwich of raw, and this was the bread that we used. And we were just thinking about it, and we decided tonight to get off our planned menu, and we made pizza. So I also have requested a green salad with this meal, and it's a beautiful green salad, which is a basic salad, but look at the pizza, how amazing that looks. And so tell us what you put on here.
So I made a tomato sauce, then a white sauce, and then like a walnut meat thing. Pretty much the same recipe that I used for the lasagna last time. But I thought I'd, make the pizza into... Well, originally I thought I would just make a tomato sauce because we were making pizza. And then I decided to just do the whole entire recipe. So yeah, and that's like the pesto, the walnut meat, and all the rest of it.
And that's a great idea to understand that it's you can change this and make it. Hello. That's a great idea. You could change this and make it any way you want. So initially I said, how about we make pizza? Now I would have just did the white sauce and the red sauce, and pretty much that's it. Maybe some tomatoes, but the chef can do whatever she wants, and it's going to taste just as delicious. I know it is, and that's what's so great about the raw food diet. And here's our greens, and we use collards from our garden, which is great. And so I got this, and then just picked up this beautiful baby here. It's a nice watermelon with seeds. I don't like seedless watermelon, so that's that. As you can see here, we got some bananas for smoothies and so on. We got a good amount of avocados. Now, a lot of stuff is about to come in season in the garden. We have mangoes and papayas and a whole bunch of other fruit that you haven't heard of. But we also have avocados in the garden. So it's springtime right now, and literally we're a couple of weeks away from things getting ripe. So a lot of this is store-bought. The greens are from our garden, and pretty much most of the other stuff is store-bought, but we like getting away from that and not doing that. But this is not difficult to make. How long did something like this take you to make? Besides the dehydration of the bread, how long did the rest?
Today's stuff, the sauces and stuff, maybe half an hour.
Half hour to make everything that's on top of this. Then you can even buy bread like this pre-made online, or some other wrap or something. And that's another thing I like. Sometimes if I want a recipe, I'll just take a little salad like this and just throw it in a wrap that either I make or that you can get online, or nori sheets or something like that. So it could be intimidating at first when you're first doing this, but the more you get along and do this, the easier it is. So if you have comments or questions, put them below the video. Thank you so much, Chef Laura, for another great, delicious meal. If you're a member of the Raw Life Health Show, I will put this recipe below the video in the description. If you're not, you should be. Go to rawlifehealthshow.com. Until then, everybody, have a great day and a great raw life.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.